Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the process of deleting your Booking.com account. Whether you're no longer using the service or simply want to start fresh, we'll show you exactly how to permanently remove your account from the platform. Let's get started. Open the Booking.com app on your phone, then tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. From there, navigate to Security Settings. Select the option to delete your account. You'll be asked to choose a reason for deleting your account. Pick one that suits your situation. Tap Delete Account again to confirm your decision. Booking.com will send a confirmation email to your registered email address. Open your inbox and look for the message from Booking.com. Follow the instructions in the email to finalize the deletion. And that's it. Your Booking.com account will be permanently deleted. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.